Hello, everyone, and welcome back. School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script. Someone said that the day will be what you make it, so rise like the sun and born. With these inspirational lines, I, Meera from class 8, wishing you all a beautiful morning filled with peace, joy, and love. Good morning, all. Let us begin our prayer and speak from our heart. Now join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. And after prayer, we have love and respect for our country, for our motherland in our hearts. Pledge fills the air with a sense of responsibility, commitment, and unity in us for our country. And now I invite on stage Riddhi from class 8 for pledge. And thank you very much, Riddhi. Even the most successful person makes mistakes. The process of learning from failure is not easy, but can be a good thing to experience. Failure is not something to be feared, but rather something to embrace and grow from. With this, I invite on stage Supriya from class 8th to encourage us with today's thought. Good morning, everyone. My name is Supriya. Thought of the day is a person who never make a mistake never tried anything new. Albert Einstein. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you very much, Supriya. News keeps people informed about the world around them, including politics, economics, sports. Let's enrich our general knowledge and awareness of current affairs. I invite Harmeet Kaur from class 8 to share today's news with us. Thank you very much, Harmeet, for sharing today's news headlines. It is important for us to be connected and up to date with every part of the world. Let's boost public speaking abilities and confidence by answering the questions. And I invite on stage Chirag for today's GK quiz. Thank you very much, Chirag, for checking and enhancing our knowledge. Dear all, poem says all that is unheard or unsaid. It is a voice that comes directly from heart and touches our soul. And now I invite Shiba from class 6 on the stage to recite a poem. Thank you very much, Shiba, for sharing such a nice poem with us. To honor the spirit of our nation and conclude our today's assembly, let us all stand straight together for national anthem.